Troubleshooting Amazon Prime Video on an LG TV. Common problems or issues with the Amazon Prime Video app usually fall within 3 categories. Problems launching Amazon Prime Video playback settings, or problems with Prime Video playback. In this video, we'll cover all 3. For problems launching Prime Video, or in any situation where the internet is involved, resetting your network should be the first step you take. Step 1. Reset your internet connection. To do this, unplug the power for your modem, router, and TV. Wait at least 30 seconds and then plug them back in the same order: modem first, router second, TV third. Then verify that you are connected to the internet and test the application again. If you still have an issue, we can check to see if your TV firmware is updated. Issues can arise if the app has been updated, but the firmware has not. For WebOS 1.0 through 4.5, go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then General. Scroll down to About this TV and check for updates. If an update is available, click Download and Install, and then click Allow Automatic Updates. For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then Support, and then Software Update. If you performed an update, test the application again. Uninstall and reinstall the Prime Video app. Sometimes files or caches can become corrupt. Deleting the app will remove those files. Using your LG TV remote, press the Home button and navigate to the app you wish to delete. Press and hold the OK button on the remote. After a few moments, an Edit Mode window will appear. Select the trash bin icon above it and click Yes to remove the app. Once the app has been deleted, go to the LG Content Store to install it again. In the Content Store, enter Amazon Prime Video in the search bar. Click on it in the results and click on Install. You'll see the Prime Video tab appear in the launcher. After you've removed and reinstalled the application, go ahead and test to see if that resolved your issue. Accept user agreements. It's a good idea to check and make sure you've accepted all the user agreements. By not accepting these agreements, some features may not work properly. The user agreements can be accessed in your TV settings menu. For WebOS 1.0 through 4.5, go to Advanced Settings, then General, then About this TV, and then User Agreements. For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then Support, then Privacy and Terms, and then User Agreements. Check Location Settings. Streaming content is viewable based on licenses contracted between owners and providers. If your TV location settings are incorrect, some content may not be available. Go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then General, then System, then Location, and then enter your service area zip code. Your location will update automatically. Now we'll touch on Prime Video playback settings. When playing a video from the app, at the bottom of each video is a button that gives you access to additional settings. These settings include changing language and configuring subtitles. Use the available settings to customize your Prime Video experience. Lastly, let's troubleshoot problems with Prime Video playback on an LG TV. If Prime Video is experiencing issues with the video juddering or having excessive motion blur, Amazon recommends turning the motion setting on the TV to off. On your LG TV, this setting would be True Motion. If Prime Video is routinely experiencing buffering or lagging at the start of videos, verify your internet connection speed with a speed test on fast.com. Prime Video will serve the highest quality streaming experience possible based on the bandwidth speed available. They recommend a minimum download speed of 1 megabit per second for standard definition content and 5 megabits per second for high definition content. If your internet speed test is not showing the results, check your network as described at the start of this video. If your connection is slower than you expect, please contact your internet service provider for help. For additional assistance, visit lg.com/us/support.